that I was privileged to be one of the legal consultants to Abuja Markets Management Limited, actually by an extension, my chambers. And by virtue of our position as legal consultants, we've been exposed to the workings, structure, and the functioning of the Abuja Markets Management Limited for a couple of years now. Now, Abuja Market Management Limited is a registered company under the laws, and the relevant law is the CAMA, Companies and Allied Matters Act, and the operational law now is that of 2020. And as a registered company under CAMA, it's an independent and legal entity. Now, this law actually defines how the operation of the company should be. It defines how a member of the board of directors is appointed, how he can be punished, and how he or she can be removed. And the law actually still goes ahead to stipulate how a managing director of a company such as Abuja Market Management Limited can be appointed and removed as well, besides the members of board of directors. Now, the illegality of that deployment actually fell on deaf ears, and subsequently he was forced to approach the courts. He approached about 3 courts: the Federal High Court, the National Industrial Court, and he still went back to the Federal High Court again. And from these courts, judgments and orders were handed down by these courts of competent jurisdiction, declaring that Alhaji Abubakar Usman Farouk has never ceased to be the MD, Managing Director of Abuja Market Management Limited. And is still, as at when the judgments were delivered, and even as at today, the relevant and lawful occupier of the office of the Managing Director of the Abuja Market Management Limited. Unfortunately, despite these judgments, let me just take my time and just mention that were actually handed down by the various courts. The Federal High Court on the 10th of July 2023 declared, like I said before, that Alhaji Abubakar Farouk Usman remains and is the substantive and lawful occupier of the office of the Managing Director of Abuja Market Management Limited, and set aside every action that were taken unlawfully by any persons or group of persons who assumed they had the authority to act otherwise and against the law, and upheld him as the substantial and lawful Managing Director of Abuja Market Management Limited. Now, in a suit again before the National Industrial Court, the same court held similarly that he is the relevant, lawful, and substantive MD of AMML, and still went ahead to grant an order restraining any persons, group of persons, or authority, organization from doing anything that is tantamount to obstructing the day-to-day activities, operations, business of AMML. And lastly, another suit filed before the Federal High Court, another order restraining any person and group of persons, organization, governmental bodies from still doing anything, performing any act, taking any steps, which is tantamount to disrupting the activities of AMML. Now, I need to actually refer to some persons, group of persons that have actually been taking steps to obstruct, and to do things that is equal to destroying the AMML, Abuja Market Money Limited. These persons were parties in the series of suits I just referred to. The first I will mention is the Honorable Minister of the FCT, the Group Managing Director of the AICL. AICL is the Abuja Investment Company Limited, as well as the company itself.